Why do we remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder treason and plot?
Just like to think back the reasons why we're actually here. We're here on the call of Expat Look to jointly support the efforts of Countess Éva and Albert to make sick and ill children a real happy life as far as it can be.
I think expatriates are a really important part of the life of a country. They're often among the most generous givers to charities, and they launch good initiatives like tonight's event.
Thanks to Stephen and the hotel. Köszönjük.
From the Smiling Hospital Foundation, thank you so much.
So I think let's tonight celebrate the role of expatriates in our society and thank Expat Loop very much for drawing attention to them and celebrating their activities. Bonfire night celebrations with firework displays take place throughout Britain every 5th of November, bringing smiles to children's faces, which is why I suppose it is appropriate to link this event with the Smiling Hospital Foundation.